Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0012O in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has a Gucci logo on the side of the temples and a red and green detailing. The temples are made out of rubber. This frame is made in Italy. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo. Up here we have velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.